All right, welcome to question 23-22 in this episode. Let's see how fast and easy we can get answers to that. Which of the following is not true of a regular polygon? So to answer this, you need to know what a regular polygon is. So a regular polygon is a polygon that has all the sides equal, and each interior angle also equal. As the interior is equal, the exterior angles individually will also be equal. So that is the definition. So if we check the first one, say all exterior angles add up to 360. If you add all of them, you get 360. So it is true. Then all angles are equal, which is part of the definition. All sides are equal, part of the definition. All sides are parallel. Now you may have a polygon that has 5 sides. Parallel means that there should be pair, right? And 5 sides is an odd number. So if these two, let's say if I have this, if for nothing, this one is parallel to this, then which one are going to be parallel again? This is not parallel to this, nor this being parallel to this. Even if I draw it in a certain way that I will get two pair of sides being parallel, there will be one side that will not have a counterpart to make it parallel. So the word all will not make sense. So this means that our option is going to be the D. I guess by definition, you should be able to know that. Then 22, P, Q, and R are points on the circle. Let's make a sketch of that circle. So if the circle look like this, we are saying that PQR on the circle with diameter being what? PQ. Meaning PQ is the one at the line that passes to the center. That's diameter. So R will be here. Now putting them here simply means that we want to ascertain that that triangle is what? A right angle triangle. Because when a diameter is forming an angle at the circumference, that angle is going to be 90 degrees. So that makes it a right angle triangle. Now the length, meaning the measurement of PQ, is 12.5 centimeter, the whole length, if you measure it. Then that of PR is also given as what? 10 centimeter. We are only looking for this. So that will be the use of Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to have the length, the longer side is the hypotenuse. So I should be having 12.5 all square equals to 10 square plus QR all square. Remember, this is where the attention is. So we are going to maintain that and find the value of others. So your QR length square equals to, this is going to be 12.5 times 12.5. That will be giving you 156.25. Then minus 100 here, because 10 square will give you what? 100. So this will be giving you 100 from here, 56.25. But we are looking out for the length alone without being the square. So we need to find the square root of both sides to cancel that. So right from here, your length of QR should be equal to the root of 56.25, 7.5. So we are looking for, so therefore, the length of QR is going to be 7.5 what? Centimeters. All right. So the concept is simply the Pythagoras theorem, but they want to also see whether you understand when a diameter subtends an angle at the circumference, that angle will be 90 degrees. Hence the use of this. If not, this couldn't have been used. It could have been a different property, either sine rule or the cosine rule. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.